Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the bracelet arrows and picking the side with removable pins. Use a 1.5 mm pin pusher or spring bar tool. Position the bracelet on the block so arrows point down. Then, tap the pin pusher gently with a small hammer, short, controlled taps. Once the pin moves, use tweezers to pull it out. Make sure to keep removed pins and collars organized. This first step sets alignment and prevents damage. Now focus on taking out the correct number of links. Remove from both sides evenly so the clasp remains centered. Once you push a pin far enough, use tweezers to slide out the link segment. Count and label each piece. If the bracelet uses collars, note orientation and keep them paired with their pin. After removing a pair, try the watch on. Make sure it sits comfortably. If not, add or remove another link and repeat. To finish, align link holes precisely and reinsert the pins from the opposite direction of removal. Use gentle taps so pins sit flush. Once reassembled, check that the clasp closes cleanly and the bracelet lies flat. Wiggle links to ensure secure seating. If a pin resists, back it out, verify collar position, and try again. Troubleshooting tip: if a pin is stuck, apply one small drop of light oil, wait a minute, then retry with steady pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.